Hi, it's Angie with News OK, and I am here with board-certified plastic surgeon Dr. Juan Brou. Now, we're talking about plastic surgery. It's a new year, new you, and if people are opting for plastic surgery, what are you seeing? What's the affordability of it? Obviously, tough economic times. What do you think?
That is so true, Angie, and a lot of people are not very keen right now to go ahead and engage in very large procedures and things like that. But honestly, I have seen a pretty steady show of patients to my office lately when I was not expecting to see a whole lot of people showing up. But I think I see a steady flow of patients nowadays.
Wow. Yeah. So even with the economy kind of struggling, people are still coming in. And I guess it is becoming more common.
Absolutely. And you know what I think, and this is just what I think, but I think the patients or people can only hold off for so long.
Right.
And then they always are looking for something that is of self-benefit, something that is rewarding. And there's nothing more rewarding than invest in the way you look and you feel. And that's one of the things that plastic surgery does for you.
That's very true. All right, what procedures, what treatments have you seen? What's the most common?
Well, in my practice, probably what I do the most is breast surgery, and anywhere from augmentations, reductions, or lifts. And I also do a lot of body contouring procedures. Of course, I continue to do facial rejuvenation procedures and rhinoplasties and any other thing that has to do with plastic surgery. But another thing I wanted to comment to you is that one of the things that in general, the specialty is aiming towards is to do less invasive procedures for rejuvenation. So people tend to invest more in procedures that are not so drastic, but they maintain the youth of a face.
Oh, that's fabulous. Yeah. Okay. What about when someone's looking for a plastic surgeon? What should they be looking for?
Well, that's a very good question. And there's several things you need to look for. One of the things that we recommend is for you to look for somebody that is board certified in a specialty that has to do with cosmetic procedures. And in order to find more information about that, you may want to go to the website for the American Board of Medical Specialties, abms.com. And there's 4 main specialties that are dedicated to aesthetics, and plastic surgery being the more broad one, then ENT with a subspecialty of facial plastics, ophthalmology with facial plastic surgery, and dermatology. So all those specialties are certified to the purview of plastics or cosmetic surgery. drbrou.com is my website. You can visit it anytime.
Wonderful, wonderful. So obviously you have lots of experience in this, and it's all the way from facials or type of facial treatments to any type of surgery procedure. So you definitely are a good source to go to.
Thank you very much. We go from the very non-invasive things like different creams and medications that are medical grade, to peels and laser treatments, to injectables such as Botox, Restylane, and Juvederm, to more invasive things like Fraxel and even surgery. So I have the full spectrum of rejuvenation for anybody to pick.
Oh, it sounds like it. Well, thank you. So there is hope for the future. Even though the economy may be hurting a little bit, we can still go out and maybe pamper ourselves a little bit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's see it.